What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I finally had some motivation to pick up the GoPro, so here we are. Here's my Z. It's all warmed up and everything. My cousin's actually tagging along. We're just hanging out, and I thought, you know, like, I got my camera with me, why not slap the GoPro on and record? So that's what we're gonna do. We got to these sick back roads, and we're just gonna shred, and we're gonna have a good time. So here's Z. It's looking pretty good, actually. I just washed it, so you're welcome. I got you guys. And yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of back road POVs.
What's going on, YouTube?
Say what's up.
Alright,
they're going too slow.
And then I'm gonna do like a POV outside.
Okay. My TPMS light came on, which is awesome, but it always does that. I think it's just the sensors. Forgot that we
I would
turned
say
here.
to combat the wind noise on my POV, keep the revs up, but don't necessarily go fast, you know what I mean?
Turn right here.
Yeah, the very first left. There we go, that traffic! This is where it gets cool. Handbrake turn, e-brake turn.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that hurt. Did not like that. Alright. Up. Okay. Get over these little bumps real quick. Okay, those are brutal. Oh, grandma's gonna like that. Mustang with a tree on it. Those are brutal.
Alright, stop hard.
Road.
This is cool right here. Low chicane, pop, pop. Yeah, I think this is the end of the course. Yeah, this is it.
Just, you know, some nice little tight turns. And as you guys know, I'm in Florida, so there's not many cool roads here. I recently just went to like Georgia and Tennessee. If you guys watched the past couple videos, you'll see that. I did the tail of a dragon in a freaking Porsche, which was sick. But yeah, in Florida the roads are kind of like straight, and it's kind of boring. So when we see like little roads like that, little hidden roads, it's kind of cool, and we tend to hit them, you know. So
go.
Oh, they're doing hella construction over here. Gonna go, but the motorcyclist switched, so I just let off. This is sick.
A lot of traffic here.
Yeah,
It
with
used to
the
never be that much.
No, with the construction. They're building either apartments there or like plazas. But
You're contemplating making a Yui?
no, I'll go all the way down in the back. They have a roundabout, so I'll just go about around the roundabout. There's just a bit more traffic than I'd like because the construction, but it's okay. These are sick roads.
Bro, I remember this was all abandoned.
Yeah, it was cut off, and then they connected it.
This was a dead-end road.
Yep. Investigate?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know what it is. I don't even know where this road goes.
Let's take the road.
Alright.
And then we'll investigate later.
Oh, this is dead end.
Literally till right there.
Might be a little cul-de-sac. Huh. I guess it keeps going a little.
Dude, it's kind of empty.
It says dead end though, I don't know. Looks like it keeps going. And yeah guys, I'm just driving, chilling with my cousin, and I'm just bringing you guys along. The camera's still rolling, surprisingly. I don't have enough like film storage probably left, but
how do you know you're still rolling? Oh yeah, you're definitely still rolling.
I can see the numbers. Oh, well, that's a dead end. Where the hell does this go?
Is there a house? It looks like there's a house or an apartment complex down here.
There's like some random guy with a drum set outside of his car.
For real?
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that's about.
That's dope.
This is a cool road. It's not a dead end, it keeps going. But yeah guys, I'm literally just chilling with my cousin. We're just driving around because we don't have anything better to do on a Monday. And we're just getting lost on some cool roads.
Dog, this is a nice fucking street, bro.
I didn't know this existed.
I did not expect it to be this far. Like 75 is over there, bro.
Yeah. This is cool. We'll just circle back around. This is, we might go a little.
I actually want to go back the way we came.
Yeah, we will. This is a cool road.
What is there to turn left into?
Nothing. It's undeveloped. You can turn left here though. What the hell?
I kind of want to explore that road.
Might be a dead end. You see all this stuff when you're on the highway, but you don't really see it when you're back here.
I don't see nothing that says PD.
No, this was not a dead end. That was cap.
There's a Pokemon stop
dude.
here.
Oh, you guys are gonna love this. Hopefully the camera doesn't die. You're gonna love this. We're just gonna park the car right here. Here, get out. Alright. Damn. Don't slam it. What are we on right now? We have 12 minutes left of footage. Look at that.
Oh, hi.
Dude.
Well,
Isn't that, I think there's someone in there, yeah.
Let's trying to.
I don't know, I'm not trying to bother the fucking dude.
Fuck, he's leaving.
There's a 300ZX.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
we'll get it leaving.
Yeah.
We should go try to cruise with him, yeah?
Low key, yeah.
Damn.
Oh, I I think he's turbo. They're pillar pods on that.
I don't know if he turned though.
Ah, shit. Just keep going.
That's the limit of the car right there. You heard it?
Yeah, I heard it. I wish I recorded this.
There's nothing there. Where the fuck did this guy must have been out, dude? You can hear the tires. He must have turned, dude.
Must have.
Oh yeah. You hear the tires?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's probably a little too much air in there. I needed to play the
A rev match would have been nice.
Yeah. I don't know where the guy
Dude,
went.
that guy disappeared,
Yeah. That was sick, dude.
That was a great run, and I got all of it.
nice.
I got a little bit of it on my phone, but we saw this red Z31, Z32, and had RPF ones, and I noticed they had pillar pods, so it was definitely turbo.
Yeah.
And holy shit, clean paint,
Oh,
clean body.
I wish I could have gotten a picture. That's how nice it was.
Same, and I had my phone with me, and just as we were approaching the car, I noticed there was somebody in it, and I was just like, oh shit, there's somebody in it. Now I kind of don't want to take pictures.
Yeah, I wish we could have.
Okay.
You probably turned because I was going 70, 80.
Oh dude, no, we were fine.
And he was nowhere to be found.
We were fine.
Yeah, so we just have some backgrounds, guys, just chilling, having a good time, enjoying the, you know.
Cool. That light just turned green.
In a perfect world, we'd run into that 300ZX and we could like race them and cruise and stuff, but I don't know where the dude went.
Yeah, no, he passed. Well, we saw him leave. We saw him take a right-hand turn out of the parking lot, and we follow him, and we just blaze out of there. I man the camera, get it turned on as fast as I can, and just, this guy's flying. Oh, there's something dead there.
Tires have a little too much air in them. I need a tool so I can deflate the tires. 'Cause
No, you don't. You just need a pen. Oh, we're going more.
oh yeah. Yeah guys, we are on our way to grab some boba right now. It's kind of the move, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful sunset. You can't really see it too much. The GoPro is like being retarded, but it's hella nice. So sick ass sunset. So we'll see you guys when we grab some boba. Richard's never had it before, so
I think it's a bitch. Ah, shit.
don't say that on YouTube,
I'm
bro.
so
That's a little
sorry.
too far. We're cutting that out. So guys, we didn't record much. I got some boba dough. It was a strawberry boba slush. Richard,
I had a boba made with punch, and I don't know.
was it pretty good though? You said
The
you liked
juice
it?
itself was good. Is the boba necessary? No.
Okay, he's not a big boba guy, but yeah. Cheers to you guys. Drop a like, drop a comment on the video, and I'm gonna be uploading a ton more. I have a lot of content for you guys and a lot of mods, and just I'm gonna be posting more, which is always good. But I'll see you guys in the next video. We just wanted to go inside and enjoy our food, so cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.